Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you how to unmount a flash drive that's connected to your phone. So this is a S24 Ultra. It applies to the S25 Ultra or of course S26 or any A series device. It doesn't really matter. Now of course my device here has a USB Type-C port, means it will accept a USB Type-C device. Now, this flash drive is special because it already has a USB Type-C port. So to interface it with the phone, you'll need a Type-C connector. So you see, mine is Type-C. If you don't have this, what you'll need is a adapter to stand in. This is an example of an adapter. You can get them in all phone cases. If you have one lying around, or of course you can buy them online. I'll have the link in the description. And of course this would plug into the phone, and then this would plug into this section here, and then it would work. All right, so seeing mine already has the required port, I'm going to plug it in. All right, so I'm going to plug it in, make sure it's all the way in. All right, so once it's in, it will actually appear. And of course, this is how to dismount it. So let's say it's connected. As you can see, it is connected. It is detected. So I'm going to tap and you can see the files on it. It says USB storage 1. All right, so if I go back and I swipe down from the left, remember, swiping down from the right will not necessarily bring you to the same place, so it's best to swipe down. As you can see, if I swipe down from this side, it brings me here. So it's best to swipe down from the top here, which is the left, all right, with the latest version of Android. All right, to dismount or unmount, go ahead and tap here, and then you'll see further context menu. Notice it gives you the option to open or unmount. I can go ahead and unmount, and it says it here, it's unmounted. And once it's unmounted, it's simple. Go ahead and remove the drive, and that's it. So that's how to easily or safely disconnect a flash drive from your phone. Quick note, unmounting tells the system or checks to see that nothing is being written. Now, this is dangerous only in cases if, for example, let's say a file is being transferred and this is connected, and then let's say a large file or file is in transfer is in process and I remove it, what would happen is that it could damage the flash drive. So of course, you only dismount stuff when there's no transfer happening. If for some reason there is, it refuses to unmount, usually it could be an error. As long as nothing is not being transferred, you could always just remove it, as long as you're sure nothing is being transferred. That is, and it should be safe, even if it's giving you an error to say that it will not unmount. But in most cases, it will unmount as long as nothing is being transferred. So if you're transferring something and you're trying to unmount, you will get an error. All right, just to make that clear. All right, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. And as always, guys, Ricardo Garda from Blog Tech Tips. Just giving you a quick tip showing you how to do this on your Android device. It should work on Android as well as Samsung devices. See you in the next one. Bye.